Welcome to all. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about tunnel diode. What is tunnel diode? It is a heavily doped PN junction diode. It is nothing but it is a heavily doped PN junction diode. This diode shows negative resistance. It means that is when you apply a greater applied voltage to the diode, there is a smaller current in the diode. Suppose if you apply a smaller voltage, there is more current in the diode. So that is called negative resistance. Tunnel diode works based on tunnel effect. So this is the tunnel diode. This is schematic diagram for tunnel diode. This is anode, positive electrode. This is cathode, negative electrode. So which is the made up of silicon material, germanium, gallium arsenide, etc. So tunnel diode shows a negative resistance in their operating range. The tunnel diode is used in amplifier, oscillator, and in any switching circuits. This is heavily doped PN junction diode. This is tunnel diode. So here we are discussing about the width of depletion region in tunnel diode. So we know that depletion region means there is no mobile carriers. There is no movable electrons or holes in this region. Moreover, to stop the flow of electron from n-type region to p-type region and flow of holes from the p-type region, which is blocked by means of this depletion region. So it consists of immobile charge carriers. So this depletion region acts as barrier. So depending upon the number of impurities added, width of depletion region varies. So to increase the electrical conductivity of p-type n-type semiconductor, impurities are added. If we want wide or big depletion region, small amount of impurities added. Okay, if wide or big depletion region at the PN junction, if we need wide depletion region, we need to add small amount of impurity. At the same time, when you add greater number of impurity or more impurity with the pure material, narrow depletion region is formed. So in tunnel diode, we know that we are adding more impurity. So in the tunnel diode, the depletion region width is very narrow, very small. Okay. When P and N type semiconductor is heavily doped in tunnel diode due to greater number of impurities. Heavy doping results narrow depletion region. When compared to normal PN junction diode, tunnel diode has small or narrow depletion width. So when small amount of voltage is applied to tunnel diode, it produces enough or large electric current in the tunnel diode. So the reason is there is a narrow depletion region. This diode works based on tunneling effect. What is tunneling effect? Tunneling effect, that is direct flow of electrons across small depletion region from n-side conduction band into p-side valence band. N-side conduction band into p-side valence band. As the width of depletion layer reduces, charge carriers can easily cross the junction. Charge carriers do not need any form of kinetic energy to move across the junction. This effect is known as tunneling effect. Suppose if we are not applying any bias to tunnel diode, how it works? That is, in unbiased tunnel diode, there is no voltage is applied to tunnel diode. Here, due to heavy doping, conduction band of n-type semiconductor overlap with valence band of p-type material. Electrons from n side and holes from p side overlap with each other and they will at the same energy level. Some electrons tunnel from conduction band of n region to valence band of p region when the temperature increases. Similarly, hole will move from valence band of p region to conduction band of n region. Finally, the net current will be 0 since equal number of electrons or holes flow in opposite direction. Equal number of electrons and holes, they are flowing in opposite direction. Okay, this is in the unbiased condition. If you apply small voltage to tunnel diode, how it works? When you apply small voltage, lesser value of built-in voltage of depletion layer is applied to tunnel diode, there is no flow of forward current through the junction. Minimum number of electron from conduction band will start tunnel to valence band in p region. The movement creates small forward bias tunnel current. When a small voltage is applied, there is a small current flow or tunnel current starts to flow. So this is the working. When you increase the applied voltage in forward biased, how it works? When the amount of voltage applied is increased, number of free electrons generated at n side, holes generated at p side increased due to voltage increase. Overlapping between bands are also increased. Maximum tunnel current flows when the energy level of inside conduction band and energy level of p side conduction band becomes equal. So this tunnel diode works both in forward biased and reverse biased condition. So this is the VI characteristics of tunnel diode. This is applied voltage, current variation is like this. Application of tunnel diode. Tunnel diode can be used as switch, amplifier and oscillator. Since it shows a forced response, it's used as high frequency component. Tunnel diode act as logic memory storage device. They are used in oscillator circuit and FM receivers. Since it's a low current device, it's not used more. Okay, so these are all few applications of tunnel diode. In next lecture, we will discuss about Schottky diode.